Need to update your Xfinity email password? It's crucial for security and can be done easily through either the Xfinity website or the Xfinity My Account app. Both methods require your current password and access to your account. For the webmail method, start by visiting xfinity.com and signing in. Once signed in, navigate to Account or Settings, then Users and Preferences, and select Change Password. For the app method, open the Xfinity My Account app and sign in. Then tap your profile, select Account Settings, then Email and Password, and choose Change Password. Regardless of the method, enter your old password, create a new strong password with 8 to 20 characters, including mixed case, numbers, and symbols. Then confirm it. As of 2024, Xfinity requires two-factor authentication for password changes, so have your verification method ready. Changing your password is just one step in maintaining online security. Always choose a unique password that you don't use for any other accounts. Consider using a password manager like LastPass or Bitwarden to generate and store complex passwords securely. Enable two-factor authentication on your Xfinity account for an added layer of protection, as Xfinity made it mandatory in 2024. Be aware of phishing attempts. Never click on suspicious links or enter your password on unfamiliar websites. If you suspect your account has been compromised, change your password immediately through the Xfinity website or app and contact Xfinity support. Keeping your password updated and practicing good online security habits are essential for protecting your Xfinity email and overall online presence.